Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we have another iPod Touch 4th Gen White 32GB from eBay. So this one cost me about £12.50. It's in a nice little box. So this one I did win on accident as I have the other one, but the other one will cost more money and can actually be returned. So I'll probably return the other one and keep this one, I'm not sure. But this looks like I can just pull it apart. I can't show you the other side because that's where the post label is. But yes, I could just pull this apart. Wrapped in some paper. This is quite good packaging for a private eBay seller. Obviously not as good as the other iPod, but and another layer of bubble wrap, actual bubble wrap this time. This is going to be a struggle to get out without scissors. That is an impressive condition. It's like a mirror. Obviously, I've got the flash on it. You can see quite a few scratches, but compared to the other iPod, I don't have it here right now, but go check that other video out. Obviously, it's got this little dint here, which you can see it reflects off the flash. But this is really good condition for one of these iPods. That almost makes me not want to keep this one because I'd be scared of ruining it. But the screen is basically perfect condition. Someone really looked after this. I know it does look quite scratched, but compared to any other iPod, this is really good. So home button seems to click all right. They seem to click all right. Let's see if the last owner left any charge in it, and yes they did. So this one has actually been reset. They don't normally seem to reset these. The other one, which came from an actual company, hadn't even been reset. So it means we can take a look at the iOS 6 setup. Do swipe. British, English. Oh, it's not focused. So connected to the Wi-Fi. Let me just get the password. We've got the Wi-Fi password typed in. Activating my iPod. Now I don't believe you actually can iCloud lock these ones, so we'll set it up as a new one. I don't think it actually lets you do this anymore, but we'll give it a go anyway. No, instantly says could not sign in. Didn't even let me attempt to put my password in. I don't know what's going on with the camera on this phone. It looks quite grainy. It must be the lighting in this room. So we'll have to click skip this step then. I mean, it's saying, are you sure? But like, it literally didn't let me do it. Terms and conditions. Yep, I agree. I don't think it really matters at this point. If I can't even sign into iCloud, how are they even knowing? Start using iPod Touch. So the battery is dying. And since it's a fresh iPod, there is nothing to even look at. I mean, check the camera. Looks like that works. So does the front camera. And we'll check to see the speakers work, because I didn't. Well, I do. Oh yeah, they do. Can have a look at some of the old ringtones while we're here. Sounds. Ringtone. Don't go very loud. That's just standard for these. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Go check out my other unboxing of an iPod Touch 4th Gen, and the video I'm literally about to film now I finished this one is an unboxing of two iPod 4th Gens which are untested, so unsure on them. But yeah, I've got quite a lot of iPod Touch 4s now. I only wanted one and ended up winning multiple bids, so yeah, you got a few videos out of it. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.